why don't you take us back to how you built the platform? What the original roots are, and be as technical and detailed as you would like. Our audience,
Okay.
are looking for that. So,
Okay, I think I need to explain that why we switch from El Telón to Zapping. El Telón means the curtain, like a theater, right? In Spanish. So we switch from El Telón to Zapping because the user experience. In El Telón, we have the main local channels free with ads. Right now, there is fast platform. We were in that time that kind of platform, and the user experience was like Netflix. It was like an app that you open and you must to click to see uh, some content. So we began to put features, functionalities, chat and likes and favorites and share and so on, blah 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 blah. And the daily active user were from the top, like 90% of the daily active user using our apps to go down.
oh,
So in 2018, I think 18 years, I was in vacation, so I was thinking about doing something more simpler. I feel that the first iteration of El Telón was open the app, click in your channel, and you can see without contamination, without pause, without play on pause, without rewind, without um, sharing, without nothing. And then the user really like to use our application. So I I transferred the this is Zapping. I don't know if
yeah,
you can
that's
see.
great. That's great.
So
We can see it. That's awesome.
so it's like TikTok before TikTok, but
Amazing. You
all this is
swipe through the channels. That is so
all this
cool.
content is live. Is not a VOD, so you can swipe like crazy.
Yeah.
The speed
Yeah.
is really fast. So I designed this solution, and then okay, guys, you can open the app. You are seeing the content, and you can swipe. In that time, it wasn't really famous. This swipe UX, like just I remember that Snapchat or other platform in that
Tinder.
time.
There's a
Yeah,
dating app that you
yeah,
swipe, and then of course
right.
now
Now
every
every
social app now
yeah,
you
yeah.
swipe. But
But in the world, the platform are copying the Netflix kind of platform to do his platform, right?
yeah,
And then what is Netflix? Netflix is a web page, right, with catalogs, right, with a screenshot or thumbnails,
yeah.
and you need to select what you want. In Zapping, I know what you want, and then okay, I put that in your screen. So is a soccer match. I know that you like the soccer match, and put in your first screen. So you don't need to swipe. You don't need to choose the content. You can just
That's such
see.
a cool innovation. So what you're saying is, obviously I've seen the interface, and it's very cool. But I don't think I was aware that my when I open the app for me, something about my viewing, history. And
Mhm.
so, like you use the example of the soccer match, if you say, well, Mark watches every match that, that is
Exactly.
live, then if there's a match on, you're going to automatically select that channel.
Exactly.
Wow.
You don't need
And
to choose. I don't know if you spend more time to choosing content in Netflix or that kind of platform. That
well, there's a,
thing.
there's the that if people love Netflix or any of the VOD platforms, but if there's one complaint, it's that
Yeah, yeah, sure.
sometimes there's so much choice. I don't even think it's a
Exactly.
complaint about discovery, because the interfaces are getting just
Yeah,
much better and really
much
good.
better.
But
That
there's
in
so
that,
much choice though,
yeah,
so you're
exactly.
browsing and you're saying, "Oh, that looks really good, but let me keep looking because maybe there's something better."
Exactly. In that time, 8 years ago, Netflix doesn't. They
Yeah, and
have a
8
more
years
simple
ago,
interface.
Netflix experience was
Yeah,
not what it is today,
yeah.
of
Right,
course.
right
So,
now is amazing, and
yeah.
but all the other platforms that are doing live, they copy into that interface that is focused in VOD.
Yeah.
But the live platform, the online live platform, like OTT platform, they use the Netflix interface to doing live. Um, but I was thinking that in 8 years ago, I make this like it's a TikTok approach of, of delivering content. But I need to rebuild not just the player, not just the app. Uh, I need to rebuild the encoder because I need to do something reduce the latency to packet to do packetization, to do delivering to the CDN. The CDN, I choose a public CDN, and that in that time here in Chile we don't have Akamai or or Google or what do you want CDN in that time.
Yeah.
So okay, I need to build my own CDN to get closer to the user, to have that experience to the user don't spend more than 50 milliseconds in change the channel. I don't know if you can. That is the more important part, and then I need to build that in the smart TV. So
Yeah.
again, Roku, iOS, Android TV, Fire Stick, and so on. I need to
Yeah.
build in each platform in the native code, in the native language of that platform, the player and the application. Sorry, sorry,
Yep,
ChatGPT.
it's listening.
Yeah, listening. So I need to rebuild all that change of how we can deliver to the user fastly,
Yeah.
really fast to the user has that experience that they feel there is no loading time.
Yeah.
There is no loading time. It's like using like you drink water. No,
Yeah.
you don't need to spend time to choosing things. You just need to open the app in each platform, and then if the user need more content, need more functional features, then we have another layer of features that the heavy user can navigate to there, right?
Yeah. Sure.
So that is why I was rebuilding all the change from the encoder to the apps,
Yeah.
the CDN, and so on. So and that is why I spend most of my, I don't know, 10 years building all this platform.
Yeah. Amazing. Now, when